So hello guys, currently we are in Vizag and now we came to explore Fish Harbour. So from now onwards, Philomin bhai will tell you about Fish Harbour, whatever we will see. We just randomly came here by seeing the board. So yeah, Philomin bhai will tell you. So start Philomin bhai. Philomin bhai is not saying anything, just want to eat fish. By seeing this fish, Philomin bhai is out of words. How much big it is. How much? Philomin bhai, how much?
700.
700 for one.
Yeah.
So I forget to tell you people in starting. Today I came with my team, office team. So he is Monish, our our office team child. So child is also working in our office, underage child. See, and in my backside Pramila and Mohan is there, Mohan bhai and Pramila. So now the actual fish market, I mean fish harbour will start. Okay. So
See, there are
these are fresh prawns. See. Yeah.
one fish is 300. If you take two, that they will give for 300. One is
Okay.
200. Each
200.
is 200.
Okay. If you take one, 300. You will take two. So each 200 you will get for. So now let's go. We'll see the different fishes here. So this is also a kind of fish. I don't know the exactly name. So this is Apollo fish, guys. This is a mini.
Two Apollo, you one gram.
This all are Apollo fish.
No, these two are.
These two and these are kingfish.
No, they are one. No.
Okay.
We'll call it one.
These are dried fish. And see. So you will get here live fish also, dead fish also, and dried fish also. You people see here the boat full of fish, full of fish. See, and one guy is giving fish to everyone from there. So this is a chain; it will flow like that here in Fish Harbour. So we don't have much time. That's why we are not going forward from here. We are going back in our car and we have to go somewhere else. So Monish bhai, what you will say about this Fish Harbour?
Okay.
Okay,
All
okay.
types of fishes are available. Good.
So you come and buy a fish from here. Here so many people are working in order to get you fresh fish. So yeah,
I think you will get at cheaper rates also.
yeah, you will get at cheaper rates also. So randomly we came here. We didn't have a plan to come here. These are the nets. I'm not going there. As you see here, it is not hygienic and clean. So these are the nets, big nets. They will directly catch the fish from this big nets at once from the middle of the sea, as per Monish said. So we are going back in our car. So you see here all the boats, fishers boat, and they are carrying our Indian flag also, because they will go deep into the sea, not deep, like away from the shore, very far, up to the borders. Yes, correctly we will say, up to the borders they will go. So that's why these boats are having Indian flag. This is one reason, and the second reason is obvious. It is Indian place. It is India, so Indian flag is there. So in this car it is written there, no airbags, we die like a real man. Yeah. Huge fish. This one is big fish. These are the boats. See the close view. More close view, friends. See. Here you can see the cockpit, the ropes. So yeah, that's it. Yep. My colleagues as well as friends. With them only I came. So Philomin bhai wants to go inside the boat actually.
That is storage.
Yeah, this is the storage.
Inside they will put lot of food.
Yes,
Lot of ice.
lot of ice and lot of fish. So here you can see the water is very dirty here.
Not It will be.
So here
ये
I
frozen है.
showed you already. Here you can see the close view of net.
Many chambers ఉంటుంది దీంట్లో.
At least the
లోపల.
20-30,000 fish at once this net can handle, right? So this boat will go inside the sea and it will come after 15 to 20 days. Right, Pramila?
Yes.
Friends, let's end this vlog here only. This is a random vlog I made. So I am currently in Vizag as you are seeing me. So yeah, okay, bye bye, take care.